2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Poppy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
I got this one.
Okay.
Here.
Would you like your cards first or
Yes.
your present?
Cards first. This one says, "Dear Dad, I love you." Looks like Scooby Jones, Mama.
Scooby-Doo Jones and the zombie mummy. I know you love Scooby-Doo Jones.
Dear Dad, I love you. And more foods.
But I got a piece of candy.
Yes, and some guacamole and tortillas and chilies. All kinds of good stuff.
Yep.
Very beautiful. All right. Are you ready? Uh-oh.
One more year, one more year, one more super duper year, one more super spectacular, extra magical year.
Very nice. Thank you, baby. It's a great card.
Mom, what should I do with these?
Go put them in the trash.
Boyo's tired.
Ooh, what is this? I know that song.
Nice.
What does it say? Hold on, Mom. I want to do it.
Smile pretty.
Card, baby.
Yeah, Mom.
Okay, your present.
Oh.
Let's see what it is. Want me to help you with that, Papa? Want to take off the bow?
Yeah, just like your brother wanting to pick up the bow.
Let's see what it is.
Well, rip it if it has paper on it. You're gonna be like my grandma. Save the paper.
Uh-oh.
It has this other box.
Additional box.
Want me to help you with that, Papa?
Oh my God. Such giant box. So many little things. What is this? Oh my goodness.
What?
That is fucking awesome.
A big transformer! Optimus Prime.
Super sweet.
Michael List.
Yes. Good man.
He helped buy it too.
Right on. That is awesome. Oh.
Turn and smile for the photo. Okay.
Yes.
Give Papa a
this
kiss.
is So awesome.
Alright, we're pausing it.